Today we're working on some luxury vinyl plank, or LVP. So, easy way to start. You take your piece, you get it lined up in the groove here, and you put it down. There you go. Now you head over to your boxes. It's a good idea to work out of 2 or even 3 boxes at once, just to ensure a random pattern. Before you snap it in, just check your corners. Make sure none of them are snapped off or damaged. If you like the one you got, bring it over and repeat the process. Slide it in, tilt it down, tap it in, grab another, inspect, put it down, snap it in. And then when you get to the wall here, it's time to cut one. So obviously you could get your tape here, measure, get your square, get your skill saw, chop saw, all that stuff would work. But the simpler way is flip it around, put it where it's going to be, and mark where it would butt up to the other one. It's okay to give yourself some room because the ends are going to be covered with baseboard when you're all done anyways. So I like to take this mark and transfer it with the square across the face of the board here. And now you're just going to score it with a nice sharp razor. So you could score it with the square, which I do sometimes, but it seems to be a little more wobbly. So I like to put it between 2 boards here, and definitely not over your fresh planks, just in case you slip off. So once I got my board on my line, I like to give it 2 good cuts here. You're not going to get very far through. You're literally just scratching the surface. Now give yourself a nice clean break. Save that piece for later. Move this stuff out of the way, set that down. And then flip this board back over to the right orientation. Put it in. Fits like a glove. And lock it down. Pretty simple. Now you take your leftover piece, and that'll be the start of your next run. So you can see down here, I don't like how close these seams are. So I'm actually going to set this one aside and use a different piece. So yeah, hope that helps.